Hello and welcome to Charcha with the Chichas. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Prashant and I am joined by my brother and co host, Eric Raji Thomas. Welcome to the show, Eric.
Thank you, bro. Hey guys, what's up?
What's up? What's going on? Today we have got what can I say? We are feathers of the same, what do you call it? Birds of the same flock, sheep
Yeah.
of the same flock. And this is
Yeah,
Sonia Mishra, and she was with
yeah,
us in Speak for India, the highest level of competition that I have reached in my life, debate competition, and that was Speak for India. It was in Maharashtra, and she was part of Speak for India. She was one of the most amazing speakers. She had great fluency in English and Hindi at the same time, but Hindi was a forte, I feel, because he was super fierce in the Hindi language while speaking on stage. So welcome to the podcast again, Sonia.
Hi, thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah, and we were
Hope I'm a
talking.
co-host.
Yeah, and we were talking day before yesterday, and we mentioned I mentioned this, that you were qualified, I would say, or you put up a very great performance to reach the final stage of Speak for India. But something didn't go wrong, but the judges chose to choose somebody else, right? And
Yeah,
uh,
yes.
are you used to this every time? Are you used to this most of the time, or how does it go in other competitions for you?
No, it's actually that either it is debate or either it is elocution. But
Okay.
Speak for India is a mixture of both.
Yes, yes.
It breaks
Yeah.
down to oratory and debate at the same time. So there what happened, it was 2 years ago. So even I was learning day by day. So वहाँ पे हुआ क्या? When it came to rebuttal, my legs then went backwards because then I
Okay.
wasn't able to compete the way I do in oratory.
Ah,
So
right.
that was the thing which was lacking in my performance that day.
Ah, right, right. Because there's a great difference in oratory and debating. Because when you're debating, you have to come up with quick
Yes.
lines and quick rebuttals,
Yeah.
right?
You have to stand on your feet and it has to be this quick. Like,
Right, 100%. And sometimes people don't find anything and they have to resort to personal remarks or personal insults to
yes,
people. Yeah, because then,
that
and yeah, personal remarks also are a great way of winning debates nowadays. And even since we were in Speak for India, right? Because then you
happens.
totally destroy the credibility of the person who's speaking in front of you. मतलब with one personal remark you can completely destroy the credibility. मतलब वो कुछ भी कितना भी
Yes,
बड़ा ज्ञान दे उसके बाद में वो जीरो है. मतलब there is no point of him speaking, right?
correct. But
And
fortunately, I haven't seen you and me doing that, and I know about Eric as well.
yeah, yeah. So Eric was also there in Speak for India. My brother, two-time competitor, and he's a great debater of sorts. I mean, we both have daily conversations, not on a daily basis, but on a good basis. And what we have learned throughout time is we have learned to disagree and agree at the same time. So
At the
we've
same time,
learned,
yeah.
yeah, and that is, I don't know if a lot of people can do that, but if you can disagree with the intent of agreeing at the end of the day, not on the
Yeah,
core of the issue, but at least agreeing that it's okay that we can disagree on this and still be friends or still be on talkable terms, right?
yeah, correct,
What's
correct.
up, Eric?
Nothing, man. SFI is a great initiative by Times of India and Federal Bank. I feel I still have the T-shirts, so I
I
wear
have
them.
two
Ghar ka
t-shirts, bro.
kapda. So, yeah. So it was a great platform for so many people. So many people from our college also went and chose to speak there, and it was a lot of fun. And you
And
can know that
after,
people, yeah, correct. And you can know that
yeah,
people have or young guys have so much inside them that they have such pull towards the audience, that they can pull the audience towards them. And what I feel is, why are we working in offices?
Right.
and old people ruling the country.
But do you guys think that
Because
the youth of the
yeah.
people? Okay, sorry, Eric, I'm disturbing this because of the network,
No,
ladies
no,
and
no, go,
gentlemen. If you're listening to the
go.
podcast, yeah. So I was saying, do you think that the youth of the country or the youth of any country have so much power in them that they can completely overturn the regime or the ruling government? I'm not speaking about India because I don't think there's a lot of reasons currently to do so. Maybe it'll be in the future. But do you think the youth of any country have so much potential? Because what happens usually is the youth are discarded easily. कि अरे जवान है, ये तो गरम खून के लोग हैं, ये तो ठीक है, ये करेंगे, जवानी है, गरम खून है, तभी ये करेंगे. But do you guys think, Sonia and Eric, that the youth really have the power to overthrow any government or any regime or any ideology that they do not want in the society?
Depends on how much you piss
Eric,
them
shall
off.
I? Yeah, correct. That is the point. When you say garam khoon, ये लोग जवान है, ये लोग क्या कर लेंगे? So it breaks down to scientific psychological reason that there are three stratas in a society. एक होता है बुजुर्ग वर्ग,
Yeah.
the old age people. एक होता है the people who are below 14, and one is the people who are young. अब इसमें क्या हो जाता है कि जो छोटे लोग हैं उन्हें समझ ही नहीं है कि उन्हें करना क्या है, and जो बड़े लोग हैं उनको कुछ ज्यादा ही समझ है. So now
और उनकी समझ चेंज करना
we
मुश्किल
young
है.
correct. They have become rigid over the period of time. So now it breaks down to the youth. If the youth is guided in a proper direction, and if they come to know, okay, this is wrong, so I repeat, nobody can stop them from bringing a change in any particular realm for that matter.
Yeah, and also I think is we as an Indian society always have a lot of respect towards our elders and people, because we have all, and not saying that we should not have respect towards anybody. We should have respect towards everyone, but not everything that our parents say or not everything that everybody says is right. You have to create your own opinion as well, because most of our opinions are created by the things that we listen to and the things that we agree on, and that's how our opinion is formed. Just listening to the other guy without any factual information or without knowing what they have been through, because their feed is different, their Twitter or Instagram feed is different to your Instagram feed, so you can't simply believe what the other person has said. So when you as a youth come out and do something, so that's also one of the things wherein people need to understand that we as youth are sometimes scared when we enter into a job area or wherein we are starting off as a career. But there is also the fact that there is also we don't have anything to lose. There is very less to lose as a youth of a country. You can't take much away from them. That's why when you are a married person or when you are a salaried employee, when you speak against someone or do something, you have a responsibility, you have things to take care of that you can't risk at that point of time. But as youth, you don't have that, and the government or the people who are scared of youth is because scared of the very reason, because if something pisses them off, they are going to take charge and they are going to take control over the things, and then it becomes very hard for them to control them. That's why every other university gets attacked which speaks against any other if they don't speak with you. Example, in Nigeria right now, end of SARS, all the youth are doing it because youth was shot in broad daylight, and their police system is not working at all, and they are facing these things. And even in if you look at the Black Lives Matter, it's most of the young people. So only young people come out to protest, and the older ones feel that iska koi fayda nahi hai. That's their mentality, because they have seen it so much, because in their young days they have done it as well some point of time, and they say that it's koi fayda nahi hai. Maybe we'll also reach that point at some stage, but that time the next generation will take over, and that's how the cycle keeps running.
Correct. I agree.
But at the same time, do you think agar the youth connect to the elderly, or if the youth connect to the aged ones or the thinkers, the people who have reached a very mature age, do you think, how important do you think that is? And do you think the youth will be able, is the youth so patient and so mature that they'll be able to connect with the older generation? Because once they do that, right? तो कोई नहीं रोक सकता. I don't think there's anything to stop them, right? But
Yeah.
how hard is it? How difficult is it to do so again?
See, basically, there are two things. First, elderly equals to ego, and young people equals to
Lots of it.
no patience and lots of ego. And the elderly ones have rigid egos, so the ego clashes and the feeling of मैं इनका क्या क्यों सुनूं और ये होते कौन है जिनसे मैं बात करूं. And we being Asians, it has been a problem since ages that there has always been a gap between the age groups. कि ये लोग जैसे प्रशांत इन दी बिगिनिंग सेड दैट गरम खून के लोग हैं, ये लोग क्या कर पाएंगे. So young people do not consider elderly people that much credible to get the information from them, and elderly people do not even consider young people, to have something important in their
Worthy.
hand as a responsibility. That is the reason the parliamentary average of our country is around 65. So it is a conclusion that the ego
Yeah,
clashes.
it is bizarre, like, and I guess it's also because that's the political peak age of a minister or anybody that is in a party. Because when you enter politics, you join as a youth group, youth wing member or something like that, and to reach and scale up, it takes a lot of time because you do not let go of power that easily. You do not let go of power that easily. You can look at any political party right now, their leader is an old person. It's above at least 48 years old. Easy.
Correct.
And they say, and they lead the youth wing, those people. And how are they supposed to lead the youth wing? And the most problematic thing about some people is, as Sonia said, the rigid mentality is that मेरे ज़माने में they start off with the dialogue which is sometimes I
Yeah.
feel अभी तुम्हारा ज़माना नहीं है. Like you have to move on with the age. मेरे ज़माने का क्या करूँ मैं, तुम्हारे ज़माने का क्या करूँ मैं. Like you have to
Yeah.
move with the age. You have to learn new things. आपके ज़माने में जो था शायद अच्छा था, शायद अच्छा नहीं था, आपके हिसाब से देखो. लेकिन अभी आगे बढ़ गए हम. हमारे ज़माने में ऐसा हुआ करता था, हमारे ज़माने में ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन था, हमारे ज़माने में ये था. मैं बोला आपके ज़माने में आप लोग चुप चुप के नहीं मिलते थे. मतलब they just try and say that they don't want, they have never committed a crime. Our parents have always shown that they are very good, they've never done anything wrong. सीधे सीधे ही चले हैं, जो भी मम्मी पापा ने कहा है कि वही किया है उन्होंने. That's all they always had to say. And
Yeah, but
that's
say-
something yeah, go on.
Just a second to break you. When you say this that इन लोगों ने कुछ किया नहीं है, I can understand your mentality that you aren't against the elderly people. You are just against, not even against. You just want to convince them
The thinking.
regarding their mentality. Yeah, then accept us. Let us accept each other and form a society. So I agree to your point on that matter.
But again, now, so
And all, Prashant, you're on mute.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for reminding. So again, what I was saying is 65 is the age I guess Sonia said, and I guess there's one more age that is 40 for Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. See, we are talking about politics and we don't even know about I don't even know the age of politics. So it's one age is 40 and one is 65. I don't remember which one. Do you remember?
This is the average, like
No,
who
no,
all
no,
are
no.
sitting over there.
No, the limit, the cap limit, you have to be minimum 40 or minimum something like that. 40, 45 for which one?
35.
35.
35.
Yeah, now.
For Lok
Yeah.
Sabha.
So the point is कि when you are so aged and mature, there are very less chances of you changing your mind or restructuring your mind, because you already form a very, very strong opinion at the age of 35 by the time you reach 40, 45, 50. So it becomes very, very difficult for you to listen to the other person, because you basically become deaf, you become tone deaf. बराबर ना.
Yeah.
And
correct.
yeah, so ये एक innovation, this is something that has to be done. The next revolution in the world of politics should be the age. See, I'm not saying let people as young as 12 go and vote. People at the age
Yeah.
of 20, 23 don't even know the difference between black and white or right and left. You know, the people are so immature. Even nowadays, people are so immature sometimes that they can't even say the difference between two things. But again, there has to. But again, even we have seen in the parliament as well. We do not see very what would I say, very mature minds in the parliament.
Correct.
And
Correct. It
so
is very rare.
yeah, and then that is why the age parameter doesn't make sense, because if the age parameter has to make sense, there has to be a level of maturity that should be in the parliament. But even today in the parliament, we see people raving. We see, you've seen sunburn, the same thing going on in the parliament. People are raising hands and throwing papers and tearing papers and shouting, standing on the bench as we used to do in school. I mean, same thing going on in the
Dad,
parliament.
dad.
I mean, yes, and you remember the farmer bill when it was
Yeah.
Yeah.
getting released in the parliament? Everyone,
Derek
the
O'Brien.
speakers
ये क्या है? ये क्या है?
yeah, they started to, just rip off the constitution and everything. People were taking their phones and taking video calls. And what did Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha did that? भाई पूरे दुनिया में हमको देख रहे हैं. Let's just cut it off.
Yeah. Yes.
Live streaming.
Acha.
That was the
Okay.
condition.
Acha, that's why they
Yeah.
stopped the telecast
that's-
of the Rajya Sabha.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Because
And Derek O'Brien
there is no-
is Derek
Oh,
O'Brien is a very he's a very calm and sweet guy. He's not a raving guy. He's a calm guy. But again, he had to
Yeah.
go in front of the chair and wave the book and wave the bills and
There-
all.
I do not
Ah.
see any difference between boss and parliament.
Yeah. Yes, man. Yes. Sonia,
the
if you could just
platform.
keep your
And-
mic closer to you, to thoda, it would be better. Yeah. The microphone. Huh?
And
No, I want you to keep
Also
your
the thing
microphone
is
closer to
that-
your mouth, Sonia. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, Eric.
Yeah. So, what I was saying
Also-
is, in the parliament, or no. So the jobs and everything that are there right now. Okay. We think that we can change the world when we are in college or when we are somewhere, but when we go into a professional life, we stop thinking about it, and because we don't have that much responsibility, as I said, and once we get into that circle of life, it's very hard for us to take a back seat or take look out from it, and we can just talk about the things that are happening around us and do nothing about it. But
Agreed.
then also comes the fact that there are people who are here, and in a long time there has not been a new political party formed. If you look at it, the newest one is AAP, and they only work solely in Delhi, and before that the most dominant ones are BJP and Congress. So there has no new party been formed, and power is such a drug. You would never let go of it, because once you get a hit from power, there is no other high in the world that you're gonna get. That's why Indira Gandhi, just to keep herself in power, put emergency in place, and if she was, you can say, the most crude prime minister yet, we are heading into the same direction right now. And right now, I was just reading about Umar Khalid's thing, wherein he was he has been in jail for over 2 months, I guess, right now, for over 2 months, and he has not been being let out of his cell as well, which
No,
is
Umar
the
Khalid
basic
was arrested
right of
just
every.
shorter than a month ago. Just shorter than a month ago. He was picked up from his house midnight or something.
It was near Prashant Kanoja's arrest itself. That was the
Yeah.
time around. So I guess 2 months around that time, and it was he was done with UAPA, and again he tried again with the court day before yesterday, and he wasn't granted a bail, and he was kept in jail for inciting violence without any proof, and he was leading on Muslim protesters, they were saying, wherein he himself is an atheist. Now there comes a point wherein you can say whatever you want, and on news channels right now they call it debate, but I don't think that's debate of any sorts. That's just screaming TRP, and
Sonia,
I
would you
can't
be
even
on a
go there
news
right
debate?
now.
Oh my God! Don't ask me this question. I might not just say it, but once it happened that we were in a college and there were some people, news channels come around and they take your interviews and stuff. So there was one of a friend of mine. I know her from Z News. She is Pooja. So she asked me that once we'll have a debate and we'll call out for the students. I just replied them in a very subtle manner. You all go for some other people. It would be such a delight for our college to be on your show. But deep within, I knew that what would happen if ever I got a chance to go there, because there a debate. I know it is, a non-agreement or disagreement between
Heated.
two minds, but the debates that happen today in television is just, everyone has a presumption in their mind, and everyone is trying to prove themselves right. When Prashant said in the beginning that a mature mind is a mind which is disagreed to a thing, but at the same time is at a situation to become agreeable, वो मान भी सकता है उस चीज को, then you can debate, then a healthy debate can happen. But when you are dividing India into Hindu, Muslim, आतंकवादी, नॉर्मल लोग, हिंदू खतरा है, गाय की रक्षा करो,
Anti-national.
yeah, anti-national. India wants to know. I don't know which India wants to know. I like what is the concept today going on? Do you know that the courts have called on this TV? I don't want to take
Yes,
their
yes,
name
yes, yes.
for any reason. They let us know that which India exactly wants to know.
Hmm.
When you say India wants to know, I
Hmm.
don't think so that ever this is, and I will never, ever, ever try, even assume to go on a TV debate.
if
I
I'm
can
going
never ever.
if I'm going on a news debate, I'm just going on a news debate to tell the tell this anchor, whoever he is, that he is the worst, he is the most terrible human being on earth for inciting violence and all, and I'm going to switch off. I'm going to saying you're dividing the country, switch off.
No, no. Prashant, when we go for debates or something like that to news channels, we can have coffee and sandwich as well. So even that can be a reason for us to visit.
Yeah, yeah. But did you guys see the court is
Very, very.
wrapping? Did you see the court that is wrapping up all these news channels they are giving? So what happened is related to the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now most of these news channels, they did a very terrible job, and we all know. People liked it because it
Yeah.
was adrenaline, dopamine, serotonin, whatever it,
Masala.
masala and all. But
Huh.
what happened is the court observed that most of the things were fake or false, and then they instructed all these news channels to
Media
air
channels, yeah.
apology on the screen for 1 or 2 minutes. I mean, I saw it live. There's a very good Twitter handle. There are two Twitter handles. One is Live Law, and the other is Bar or something. And what these guys do is, the first, it was very difficult for people to hear live proceedings, because court proceedings are not aired on channel or news or wherever, right? And what Live Law
Yeah,
and these handles do is
In
they
India.
sit in the court and they tweet, and they'll tweet it live. So the moment the judge is saying something, they are tweeting it. They are tweeting it. Some judges have observed that this is not allowed, but because everyone is not so open to this level of transparency immediately, because in the court you
correct.
could say anything at the heat of the moment or at that time. So some judges have been critical of it, but it's a very good move, na, to know the live proceedings of the court, what is going on, even so, more especially for law students and even for people who are intrigued or interested in law. So did a very good, they do a very good job, and that's where I got this from. And the court told all these news channels to air an apology for all this nonsense. And there are some news channels which are in trouble right now for doing a lot of things. By even I saw Maharashtra government and Mumbai police also going against a particular news channel for now it is subjective, people would
Various
say,
reasons.
yeah, for a
Yeah.
number of reasons, right? For a number of reasons, but there is a level, there is a line, and the defense given by this news channel is that we are the protectors of democracy, the media is the fourth pillar of democracy. I mean, coming from them, it sounds very, very bizarre. They are not the fourth
On
pillar of
Thanks,
democracy.
Prashant.
Yeah, on
Just
Hathras rape case, he said that I don't think this is a gang rape. I think this is a story. That's what that person said on live television, and that's
Oh.
also some like so Akash Banerjee's channel said that धरती के नीचे होता है पाताल लोक, पाताल लोक के नीचे होता है अर्नब और उसकी जर्नलिज्म, एंड ऑल्सो
You know, Eric, one
and
more
also
joke.
there
Akash
yeah
Banerjee only said this. If media is one of the pillar of democracy, then we are a tripod.
yes
It
He's
is
got a
such
very
a
good
reason.
sense of humor, huh? Akash Banerjee
Very
has
good
got a
sense of humor.
Akash
superb.
Banerjee is legend. I guess it's too good, too good. और देखते हैं जी हाँ दोस्तों. And also one more thing that I was gonna say, I forgot. So if you have watched this series, it's superb. It's Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. So Harshad Mehta it's before our time. It's 1992, so it was the biggest stock market scam that ever happened in India,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it's a
yeah.
superb series. It has broken IMDb right now, and it's sitting on number one compared to Breaking Bad, and the story broke because of a journalist called Sucheta Dalal, who is a financial journalist, who was a financial journalist for Times of India, and she broke many other stories as well. She was so powerful, and she'd had no fear, and she did so much research, and she had so many facts in hand before saying a word against that person, and she backed it up with the story that she put out there, and she couldn't put out a story without a source being there, or without someone being it's not just
Yeah,
anything that you perceive. You can't put that as a story. Your perception
like,
cannot be a story without a witness, evidence, or someone that has been quoted from some place. And
mm-hmm.
from journalism at that point, after emergency, journalism was at its peak, because people came out, people spoke, and the stories were so brutal, and things were so precise, and people, government feared the media because they knew they could take you down. But now that time has shifted again, wherein the media is in the lap of the government, and whatever they say, either the media is backed up by a leftist party or a rightist party. There is no
Nothing new.
non yeah, there is no unbiased media. There is always one side that you have selected, that you are going to say about, and most always
Yeah,
try and side with the people who are in power, and
Which is the
yeah.
most
that's
neutral
the story
media?
right now.
Do you think,
There is
Sonia
none.
and Eric? Most
Mm-hmm.
neutral. Which is the most neutral
Neutral.
media? Yeah.
Do you cover YouTube as well in this?
Let's cover
No, no.
YouTube.
YouTube
Let's
is
cover
very
YouTube.
YouTube is comparatively fair, though.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just
YouTube
saying
is
TV because
Be-
India
then
as
I feel that
yeah, go on,
nothing.
go on.
I don't know any news channel for that matter is
Okay.
DD News. DD News.
Oh,
DD News
jeez.
is very fair. DD News is very fair. I mean, come on.
Yeah. Yeah. DD News is good.
Yeah,
I
because it is fair, because it is a government news channel, and at least being a government news channel, it is covering up government. But other news channel, they being private channels, but they are also covering government channels. So I guess DD News is
government.
doing a fair job.
Yeah.
But I guess Eric and Prashant, all this breaks down. Politics is a never-ending matter.
Yeah.
We could go to the moon also and return for a return ticket, and then to the politics topic wouldn't finish. It all sums down to youth, where we started. We need to explain them, and we need to bring their interest in politics. Scoop Up Unscripted is one of the channels on YouTube which is trying to bring
So good.
young people into politics. Yeah, by bringing some jokes. So these initiatives are to be taken by the government. Let's not talk about the government. Let's talk about the youth only. We can form group. Yeah, something we can't have control over something which we cannot have control. That is the thing.
Exactly.
So the young people, the young minds need to be framed in a way that they need to understand कि इस चीज जो हम कर रहे हैं फिलहाल उसका परिणाम क्या होगा. What will be the end result? Like we are recording a podcast. People will be listening to this podcast. There is a reason, there is a purpose. Okay, we need the people to engage with us. So the youth also, जो भी हमें सुन रहे हैं फिलहाल, even you people need to open your minds up and then understand and ask a question every time. Like, why Modi is given so much priority? Why Modi waves even on an empty road? Why? Why? The why? This why? Why India wants to know
Question everything.
everything? Yeah, why casteism? And then this why only comes to, in Hindu Muslim. People should understand that even religion, traditions, and the culture has a purpose. I'll just tell you one interesting thing. Intercaste marriage. People are so against, right? Intercaste marriage,
Yes.
Eric and Prashant, कि हमारी नाक कट जाएगी, छोरी तो काला करवा दी, मुंह छोरी तो भग जागी, and all these things. Intercaste marriage weren't allowed because there is a very special reason. Me, I have lived with my mom and dad for 22 years straight in a lane, right? So now I have every day heard prayers. Even my mom is listening bhajans to now also. My dad has a particular lifestyle. We are Hindus, we have a particular lifestyle. And 22 years, my mental capability, my physical capability, and me as a human being, I have become engraved, I have formed to that culture. Now, earlier, our forefathers didn't want a girl to suffer because when she will go to another caste, automatically she'll have to convert herself into a totally 360-degree round thing. That is the reason people used to say कि गांव की लड़की गांव में जाए तो अच्छा होगा. For the convenience of a girl. Talking about another crucial issue, menstrual cycle. Yes, people say
Yeah.
that don't go to अरे 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 अचार छोलोगी, हे भगवान पूरा खराब हो जाएगा, अरे अरे किचन में मत जाओ, अरे अरे रूम में बैठी रहो. There is a reason. During menstrual cycle, a girl's body, a female's body breaks so much. There is immense pain, immense blood flow. So our forefathers, ancient people knew that how bad it can be. So a trick for the fourth, as if they were, someone who knew the future. So they said, "Ki let's just break it down. That let a girl allow a girl to sit somewhere alone, give her food. Don't let her come in the kitchen. Don't let her work." This was the reason behind. This was the reason behind because a girl is suffering through a lot of physical pain. But can you imagine that in the 21st era, in the 21st century, where we are so techno savvy, we are like robots conquering the world. But do we ask the question that we people haven't even solved these normal questions about menstrual cycle? I'm sure that Eric and Prashant, these ये पहलू आप लोगों को भी अभी पता चले होंगे.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
true.
I
Yeah,
was
right.
speaking
And
to a friend of
every
mine.
superstition that has come up. Yeah.
Yes, Eric, yeah.
Go on. Yeah, so every superstition that has come up because of a reason that someone saw. You say that रात को नाखून नहीं काटने चाहिए because रात को लाइट नहीं होता था पहले, तो किसी को भी लग सकता है
Correct.
या फिर वो किसी को भी चुभ सकता है, तो इसलिए रात को नहीं काटना चाहिए था. एंड बिल्ली रास्ता काटने के बाद क्यों नहीं चलना चाहिए? क्योंकि व्हेन अ बिल्ली वॉक्स, बिल्ली का बाल निकलता है और कई लोग बिल्ली के बाल से एलर्जिक होते हैं, तो वो जब उसके नाक में घुस जाएगा वो बाल, तो वो जहाँ जा रहा है वो चीखते चीखते पहुँचता है और वहाँ तक पहुँचने तक उसको बुखार हो जाता है. तो इसलिए बोलते हैं बिल्ली जाने के बाद रास्ता क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए. There are some many reasons, and some people don't understand those things, that every superstition comes from some place and people never understand that. और बिल्ली का ये भी रीज़न हो सकता है कि वो बिल्ली का बाल तुम्हारे कपड़े पे अटक जाएगा और तुम अगर कहीं जा रहे हो किसी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ के लिए, शायद वो आदमी कोई बिल्ली के बाल से एलर्जी हो सकता है और तुम जैसे ही एंटर कर रहे हो वो छींकना शुरू कर रहा है, तो वो तुम्हें बैड लक मानने शुरू कर दे शायद.
Yeah.
That is also one thing. Prashant looks so dumbstruck right now. He's like, oh my god, मैं तो ऐसे इसको बुद्धू मानता था
टूटे हुए
ये सब चीजों को.
शीशे में, people say that टूटे हुए शीशे में मत देखो. That is a shubh. Why? Because that broken glass is very feeble. If you are active with that glass,
Yes.
you're watching yourself, you're just getting your hair done. That glass could break and can harm any part of your body for that matter. And girls being very familiar with the mirror, they keep the mirror very close to their face, so it can even harm the eyes. So that was the reason that our forefathers said that don't look in the broken glass. So you see, everything has a reason. Women, Indian women, they are very fond of putting sindoor on their forehead. Sindoors, right? and we say अरे किधर तक सिंदूर लगा रही तू पीछे तक लगाएगी शी क्या बहन जी है तू but people don't know that sindoor earlier was made of kumkum haldi and mercury is said to calm your blood pressure and it is said to have your powers your karma powers to be on a highest peak and kumkum really it ignites your cognitive ability and then you take it down to the pituitary gland the gland which is behind your head and there you end it up by covering the whole brain with a cool power because of a married woman has to go through a lot so little things
Absolutely.
yeah and you know why widows weren't allowed to put sindoor because mercury being one of the ingredient of sindoor it is said to ignite the sexual powers in a woman so you cannot allow a widow to do that because it can be illegally wrong in that period so that is the reason widows weren't allowed to put sindoor so everything has why do we shout yeah let's come to this
Yeah.
debates mein debates why do we shout once गंगा किनारे दो लोग बहुत ही जोर जोर से लड़ रहे थे तो एक साधु वहां पे पहुंचा और कहा कि आपको पता है आपकी आवाज इतनी जोर से क्यों गूंज रही है क्योंकि आपके दिल दूर हो गए हैं when you would have seen your parents fighting I see that every day when our parents fight even if they're sitting close like a meter they're like तुमने क्या किया I want to know तुम हिंदू तुम मुसलमान why because their heart their spirit their soul is not connected
I want to know which parent talks
Yeah.
like that. तुम हिंदू तुम
नहीं
मुसलमान.
हिंदू मुसलमान is something yeah हिंदू मुसलमान
The
is something
Tanishq ad
different.
wala,
Like,
the Tanishq
debate.
ad wala mummy ad.
Yeah,
Oh wait,
yeah,
Tanishq
yeah,
ad हो गया.
yeah, debate. So people's heart grow a little far तो मतलब जो भी हमें सुन रहे हैं आपके गर्लफ्रेंड आप बॉयफ्रेंड आपके हस्बैंड वाइफ आपके बॉस whenever this happens don't let that thing go to your heart कि अरे
Or either another community.
या कि ऐसा सोचिए मत कि मतलब
Because right now,
कि आपके दिल तक वो बात
Yeah,
चली
what?
जाए तो दिल से दूर हो जाए इट इज जस्ट एन इमोशन विच ब्रेन क्यों करता है तेज हमारी आवाज कर देता है ताकि वो इमोशन बाहर निकल जाए एंड इवन एरिक एंड प्रशांत यू बीइंग गाइज यू हैव अ लॉट मेंटल टेम्पर किसी ने बाइक को क्रॉस किया बे तेरी डैश 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 देन अरे क्या यार प्रशांत तू कॉल नहीं उठाता तेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या अरे यार एरिक कम ऑन मैन यू ओनली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मी एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स जस्ट बिकॉज
Right.
दिस इज this how human body is made just put it out and once you guys are done with your you all are done with shouting and everything chal na come on let's plan for another podcast right so it the milk when it boils we just नीचे आग लगा दी वो पूरा बॉईल हो गया फिर ठंडा होके नीचे आ जाता है so that is how a human body is so the whole sum up of all these talking that we are doing is the youth needs to ask questions because questions are a reason of inventions and questions are a reason of solution
Right.
yeah.
yeah
Yeah. And especially when you're consuming so much content every minute of your life, every second, okay, because in our one good thing in our parents' time was they didn't have so much content in their lives, okay. They had time, okay. If they had to watch news, there was the
6
newspaper
a.m.
that
and
came
6
in the
p.m.
morning. शाम को आके थोड़ा शाम को आके थोड़ा पढ़ लिया और न्यूज़ फिर बाद में थोड़ा डीडी न्यूज़ आया, डीडी न्यूज़ देख लिया आया. तो अभी तो मतलब स्ट्रेट स्ट्रीमलाइन में डाल रहे हैं, कोई फैक्ट चेक करने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. येस्टरडे आई वाज वाचिंग दिस स्कूप का वीडियो इटसेल्फ. इट्स लाइक यू डू नॉट नीड टू फैक्ट चेक एनीथिंग. तुम रिया चक्रवर्ती के घर के सामने खड़े रहो, वो पोस्टमैन आ रहा है बाहर तो पोस्टमैन को पकड़ के पूछो और वो सीधा लाइव फीड में घुसा दो. उससे पूछने का ज़रूरत नहीं है कि वो पोस्टमैन लिखा है उसके छाती पे कि पोस्टमैन है वो, लेकिन नहीं. क्यों गए थे उसके घर पे? ड्रग्स देने गए थे क्या? तुम कौन हो? तुम ड्रग्स लेते हो कि नहीं? मैं बोला वो जो तुम्हारा एंकर बैठा है सबसे ज़्यादा गांजे में तो वही लिख रहा है मेरे को, उससे ज़्यादा हाई दिख रहा ही नहीं है मेरे को कोई पूरे स्टूडियो में. इतना हाई है. और जिस स्पीड में उसने ड्रग्स का नाम लिया था उस दिन, मैं बोला ये उसी इंसान को आ सकता है जिसने लिया है ये सब, वरना इतने स्पीड में कौन ड्रग्स का नाम एक साथ ले सकता है?
मेरे को तो MDMA का नाम तो MDMA मालूम ही नहीं था और अभी भी नहीं मालूम. मेरे को गूगल सर्च करना
पहली बार सुना है.
व्हाट इज MDMA?
What is it?
MDMA is
He said no.
methyl.
मेरे लिए चरस लाओ, गांजा लाओ, MDMA लाओ,
Excuse me.
ecstasy लाओ.
MDMA is methylanedeoxymethamphetamine, commonly known as ecstasy or Molly.
अरे ये ब्रेकिंग बैड वाला है.
Oh.
क्रिस्टल मेथ.
Oh man, क्या बात है. Yeah, exactly. मतलब हम लोगों को ना एक दूसरे what Sonia was saying is very very important कि we need to learn to talk, we need to learn to communicate. The problem is कि हम लोग एक दूसरे मतलब घर पे भी even after being for so many years, most of the times we do not talk like we are supposed to, right? We do not talk like we know each other. We shout and rave, and we get physical. People get physical even today. So
Yeah,
we need
that's
to
so
understand better level of communications, and sometimes the best level of communication, the best form of disagreement, as people say, is silence. How
Correct.
does it feel? But is silence effective?
No, I do not think silence is effective. Silence is poison, I must say, in a close
Poisonous, very poisonous.
in a very close relation. Suppose, for an
Hmm.
example, Eric is the girlfriend, okay, Prashant, and Eric is telling her कि क्या हुआ, तुम मुझसे नाराज क्यों हो, काय झालं तू माझ्याशी का रचलीये ते, everything is happening and she's not answering to the
कट कट
point.
कट कट.
काय झालं, क्या हुआ, tell me, no, what happened, but after a point,
जा मत बता.
chuck it out, चल जा मत बता. फिर you know what will happen,
वो बता.
एक धागे में that gant will come, that that point will come कि यार
Hey प्रशांत.
Let me search.
नहीं,
क्या नाम था उसका एरिक? क्या नाम था? रहीम.
रहीमन,
रहीमन धागा
रहीमन.
प्रेम का.
रहीमन
मत
धागा
तोड़ो
प्रेम का,
चटकाए.
मत तोड़ो चटकाए.
Yes.
नहीं तो टूटे जुड़े
टूटे
तो
पे फिर
गांठ
ना जुड़े,
पड़ता है.
जुड़े गांठ पड़ जाए.
जुड़ी ते गांठ पड़ी जाए.
So silence is very poisonous. If you ask your mom, mama, Goa ka plan, oh please not Goa, please. Many people have very heartbroken stories about Goa, so let it be.
Yeah. My story तो शुरू भी नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
That is the sad story. Mom, my friends are planning for Lonavala or Mahabaleshwar for that matter. Indian moms, they won't utter a word. They'll be like, I don't know, what did you say? I am blind. I can't speak.
I am deaf.
can't even
I
hear."
don't exist.
Yeah, I am deaf. Yeah, I don't exist. So you see, yeah, but parents should understand.
कब
that-
बोला, कहाँ?
कहाँ कौन बोल. And then when father said, तुमने मम्मी से पूछा, मम्मी इसने तुमसे पूछा क्या पूछा, कब पूछा, नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. So this what happens, this creates a gap between children and parents. कि एक point ऐसा आ जाएगा कि the people will start lying कि I am going for group study, the most cliche lie that
Yeah,
a person
dude. Yeah.
I am going for a competition, I am going for a meeting. This can become very hazardous.
Yeah.
What happens. आप लोगों को तो पता ही होगा कि लोगों के कार एक्सीडेंट्स हो जाते हैं एंड माँ बाप को पता ही नहीं होता
Right.
उनके बच्चे को.
Exactly. That's the reason, sometimes I just tell them because मेरे को शायद ही झूठ बोलना आता है. I'm very bad at lying.
Oh, okay.
So मैं बता के चला जाता हूँ कि गाली खाना है तो गाली खा लेंगे और क्या करना है. Like,
हाँ.
but if I had to go, I'll still go. तो but क्योंकि they should at least know where you are at the end of the day, and they say some things because they believe in something and they also don't want something to happen to you.
Right.
Because उनका कहते हैं ना छत्र छाया में रहने का उनको आदत है.
हाँ.
But you also have to say things when it comes to it. And talking about parents, when you don't talk to your parents about many things, when it's very obvious that parents have their own beliefs.
Right.
And parents, because they have come up in a certain age, they also have their own mentality. If you can change some perceptions of your parents itself, you have won a small victory in that battle. And that's how you are going to change something in someone else, and you'll learn how to talk to their generation or their people, because there is a gap. And the main thing is you have to bridge that gap. There has to be a bridge, because they are not going to come to your age and neither you are going to go into their age. But there has to be a middle ground that you meet somewhere, because there is so much to learn from them. That there is a hell lot of things, because they have so much experience in so many things. When we tell something to an 18-year-old now, we tell them because we have gone through that age and we know what is gonna happen, and we have dealt with it. But still they are gonna do that thing. We know that because that's age is such. And when my dad tells me something, I listen to it more closely because I know that it is gonna happen the way he says it. And sometimes when his thinking about one thing is different than mine, I try and make him understand, and he's more of receptive to it than my mom is, because mom is more cuttar you can say, and dad is more receptive. But that's where the thing comes in. You can learn to talk to other people and still be okay. That when your mom and dad have different perceptions or different mentalities than you have, then how can you expect the other person who you have never met and suddenly you're fighting with him on Twitter or thing? How is that person gonna have that mentality? So you have to have that perception that they are coming from some place, and something already rages rage comes in very quickly at this point of time, and you have to learn to let go of something, because some things cannot be changed, or some things are going to affect your peace of mind. But there are some things that you should not be silent about, and you have to speak up. Take your stance and choose your wars wisely. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah. So basically, it all comes down to ki have communication, whether it is anger, whether it is bad, whether it is good, but have it. At least you come to a conclusion. The things aren't clinging down in the middle. So that is
Yeah. And also, when these 18-year-olds put up the status such as after a breakup or after they lose a friend, like if you lose me, you have lost me, now you're not gonna get someone better, or like that, or some turn towards their friend because they know they are watching their story. I'm like, oh, this is so childish, like everybody has done that because you are hurt, you want to make known to that someone that you are hurt. But just talk to that other person, and if you don't want to talk to them, that's fine, but just talk things out and keep it safe from your side, because till the time you carry that anger and that hatred towards that other person, that other person might not even know that you are carrying this anger towards them, and that poison kills you in that transaction.
Correct. Eric, there is a reason why humans do this status wala thing. Earlier, when WhatsApp didn't have status, or when Instagram didn't have status, and when Instagram even it wasn't there, ages before internet was there. What happened that in evolution period, humans used to live in a group. सब लोग एक group में रहते. So when they used to find a shikar or a animal, they wouldn't keep in their stomach. हाँ, छोटा मोटा शिकार देखा तो गए मार के खा लिया. ठीक है, हो गया, खत्म, अच्छा बात हो गया. तो when they know कि okay, इस शिकार को पकड़ना is difficult, I have to go to my group and tell them the problem, and then we as a human community can solve it. So it has evolved to this period कि सब बताना है, तो सबको सब कुछ बताना ही है. Yeah. And
the this acceptance factor.
Yeah, and you both will agree that if something good is happening, no one will write on their status that today in a bus I found out 500 rupees ka note and I had it in my pocket. But surely someone will post कि आज मैंने इस इंसान की मदद की, या आज इस इंसान के साथ मैंने अच्छा किया. I am up to this project, I am up to this. True. So this has been going on for a period of time. No one will write down that today I was wearing a slipper and it was rainy season and I fell down like anything. Yeah. No one will do this. So now also this is a very silly thing, but it broke down because of questioning this. So Eric very well said that communication is very, very, very important, and I hope you maintain your honesty, as Prashant Eric said that he
doesn't lie. Very bad liar.
Very bad liar.
I'm very bad liar. I'm not saying I don't lie. I'm a very bad liar. Like you can catch my lie very easily. That's a thing. Lie तो मतलब खून में ही है ना अपने. किसी बच्चे को बोले चॉकलेट खाया तुमने, तो बोलेगा नहीं, जाके उसके मुंह पे पूरा लगा हुआ है. Nobody teaches anybody to lie. It's in our blood.
Which color shirt are you wearing, Eric?
You know, red.
Oh.
Wrong answers only.
Wrong answer.
So actually, now I was thinking about this, and I was talking to my mom the other day that if children are lying to their parents or hiding things from their parents, they are not doing good at life, or they are doing something wrong, right? I mean, you don't have to hide things from parents.
Not necessarily.
You do, ठीक है, even if you're
Not
doing, if
necessarily.
you're not
Sometimes
doing
parents
wrong,
are too strict as well, no?
they are strict. Yes, exactly. They are strict, Eric. But I don't think hiding things from them is the solution. Because if you hide it and then it gets revealed at a later point of time, it creates more of a problem than if you would have told them before only, right?
Prashant,
Hmm.
this hiding thing is subjective. As Eric said, not necessarily hiding can be only hazardous.
Hmm.
I think that hiding can be subjective.
Hmm.
You hiding a good thing if your parents aren't allowing. Suppose, for an example, you have interest in dancing or singing, and if you really want to learn, and one of a teacher is teaching you for free, and then to your parents aren't allowing, then hiding is okay. Then you are going in the name of playing and then hiding it, and later you are going to show them the results by telling them the raga or the song, whatever you have learned, or even hiding a project for that matter. Our parents are very much like me, engineer, doctors, PA, lawyer. These are the mainstream. तुम इसी में जाओ. But suppose we begin a project of having campaigns of forming a group. One of our parents aren't allowing us to do that. So we will have to hide it because we are doing it for good. But as we said earlier also, that hiding the fact that you're going to a journey towards Ladakh and telling them that I'm going to stay to a friend's house, that can be hazardous. Because as Eric said, that
And also, like, the main,
parents are
go on.
unnecessarily very strict. They are very strict, and I have seen
Yeah,
parents. I have seen parents.
yeah, absolutely. Example, like, main example itself, you can see when most of the people are in a relationship at our age, or younger than us or older than us, but they never tell their parents about the same, because their parents have always told that is cheez se dur rehna. They have never told that इस चीज को it's gonna happen to you. They say that ये सब feelings आएगा पर इसको avoid कर देना. मैं बोला that is not the way you deal with it. That is not the way they are gonna deal with it. Especially the media around us never shows it that way, and so people are going to follow some things, and parents have to know that their kids are gonna fall in love, their kids are gonna do stuff, and you have to be there just for them, because after a point of time you can't remote control your kids, like after school, I guess after 15-16 you cannot remote control your kids, and you can't tell them where to go, what to do. They are gonna get out. It's like हाथ में रेत है, जितना जोर से दबाओगे वो हाथ से उतना ही निकलेगा, and that's what some parents fail to understand, that you have to let them go. And after a point of time, especially in India, parents keep their kids at home for way too long, I feel. We also are a product of the same, and we know that it's going to backfire on us at some day, because when you walk, when you try and stand on your own feet, that's hard. And but it has its own pros and cons. That's another debate for another day. But all I'm saying is, if your parents are too strict, you are the ones who are going to talk to them, not anybody else. And when you like, मैं घर पे लड़कों से बात नहीं कर सकती, even if it's not your boyfriend or anything, मैं घर पे लड़कों से बात नहीं कर सकती. Or even for guys, like मैं लड़कियों से बात नहीं कर सकता घर पे, or their parents taunt you, like हाँ बहुत लड़कियों से बात कर रहा है, हाँ तू बहुत लड़कों से बात कर रही है.
हाथ से निकल गया
The
लड़का.
taunt also comes from the parents. Yeah, the taunt also comes from the parent itself somewhere, that ऐसा होता है, तुम ऐसा कर रहे हो. And somewhere I feel it's their parents' jealousy as well, कि हम अपने जमाने में नहीं कर पाए. That's why
there's a fair amount of jealousy.
Yeah, they're like, मेरे जमाने में मैं नहीं कर पाया, तेरे को कैसे करने दे तू.
इतना बचपन में हम इतना छोटे थे तब हमको ये भी नहीं पता था, हमको तो ये भी नहीं पता था, हम तो ऐसे कभी सोचा भी नहीं था, और तुम ये सब सोचता है.
And then coming again to that tripod thing which Akash Banerjee said, he said it very rightly. When it was lockdown, one of the instances was discussing about the video calls, that boyfriend and girlfriend. They were
Hmm.
saying, आज लड़की गई बाथरूम में अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से बात करने. अरे, this is the way how you cope with it. I mean, are you serious? So, even media, फेसबुक से बात करते हुए एक लड़की फंस गई इस जाल में जहां पर उस लड़के ने उसको फंसा दिया. This is the way they put it forward.
सावधान
Even
रहिए,
in the
सतर्क
society
रहिए.
also, yeah, when aunties talk about the crime patrol episode, तूने देखा उस लड़की को इतने छोटे छोटे कपड़े पहन के जाती है, पता नहीं कितनों से चक्कर होगा. This
आंटी
all
11 इंच
things
का गैप
need
दिखा
to
के घूम
change.
रही है अपने पेट पे और ब्लाउज और इसके बीच में. तो वो किसी को प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है.
उनको कोई फर्क नहीं. Sorry to any auntie hearing this. So basically, the problem is that society at a large, the pyramid, निचले स्तर से शुरू करना पड़ेगा हमको. मतलब आंटियों को भी समझाना पड़ेगा that it is okay for a person to show her skin. It is okay for a person to wear a hijab. It is completely okay for a person to wear a lungi. It is completely okay for a person to wear a pant. उनकी बॉडी है, उनका बॉडी उनका फॉरएवर हाउस है. लेट देम बी हाउएवर दे आर. इफ यू वांट टू एक्सेप्ट इट, एक्सेप्ट इट. If you don't want to accept it, don't accept it, but don't spread hate about it. You do not, if you have to disagree with a thing, you do not need to create a flock or a group of sheep and of animals to make them also disagree with the fact कि जो तुमको नहीं पसंद है. Let them be the way they are. ठीक है. आई कैन
Yeah.
नॉट फोर्स प्रशांत, ये नहीं नहीं, तू ना ये हेडफोन नहीं पहनेगा यार. ओ माय गॉड, इट इज सो मच डिस्टर्बिंग. है ना एरिक, है ना एरिक, नो दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, दिस इज माय ओपिनियन दैट हेडफोन्स आर रॉन्ग, बट व्हाई should I say you, hey, your headphones are very good, huh? It was just an example, but why should I even take Eric with me for that matter? If I want, if you both say, अरे यार सोनिया का कैसा कैमरा का एंगल है, वो why is she doing letting her hair out like this? No, you both can disagree in your mind, but you both should talk to each other. है ना. What will this will do is that this will create a chain. एंड देन
Yeah.
इस से आज 70% अगर हिंदू हैं, तो उसमें से 60% के मन में कहीं ना कहीं एक मेंटल ग्लिच होता है मुस्लिम के अगेंस्ट. Because this is the chain. When you see a woman wearing a hijab and entering a mall, the security personnel becomes more aware of the fact that okay, we need to do strict checking of her just because she's wearing an hijab. And there are documentaries filmed about how these women feel. When a woman wearing a whole hijab enters the bus, everyone is staring at them. Bro, they aren't terrorists carrying bombs in their hijab. They are normal women who are following the culture. Muslim countries, they have a lot of sunlight, and if they live in that sunlight, they will
And
die
desert.
of that sunlight because of burn. So that's the reason, yeah, and that is the reason that in Islam they have said कि hijab पहनिए, अपने बाल cover करिए. They are following it. Why are you staring at them like they are a piece of a museum? No, you cannot do that. A girl who's wearing a शॉर्ट्स पहना है उसने, तुम अपना सारा फोकस भूल के उसके पैरों पे देखोगे. चलो, मर्दों का तो समझता है, औरतें भी, बिकॉज दे वांट टू गॉसिप अबाउट इट. शर्मा जी की लड़की ने, फलाना जी की लड़की ने शॉर्ट्स पहना था, मतलब कैरेक्टरलेस है.
And also
मतलब
the
एक
fact
लड़कों का
that
ग्रुप बैठ के एक लड़कों का ग्रुप बैठ के डिस्कस कर रहा है, ए यू नो दैट दिस गर्ल शी इज सो हॉट, बट व्हेन ही एंटर्स हिज हाउस, मम्मी ये क्या पहना है इसको, व्हाई इज शी वेयरिंग शॉर्ट्स, यू नो व्हाट
Yeah.
विल से. आई मीन सो बैड मेंटालिटी. People need to change. People need to change it. People need to live and let live. It is so simple. It is so simple. People say that gay and lesbian ये आजकल के जमाने हैं, ये लोग अगर ऐसे चलेंगे तो दूसरे लोग भी बर्बाद हो जाएंगे. I mean, come on. I cannot make you both fall in love with each other. I cannot do that. It is something that comes from within.
We both are already
Yeah.
in love.
Yeah. Oh, see? So, in Kama Sutra, in Patanjali, in various scriptures, it is written that a man can fall in love with a man. A women can fall in love with a woman. A man and women can also fall in love. So these are some presumptions in their mind कि इसकी दवा होती है. Do you know this fact that there are adults who
Yeah.
say that इसकी दवा होती है gay
Yeah.
and lesbian?
Yes.
I mean,
And they take them to psychiatrists.
yeah, they do, and I will not take names, but I have people in my life who have faced so much of embarrassment in their own family because of this, that they need to hide this fact.
Hmm.
That they need to
Absolutely.
hide this fact. When
And
parents will be busy on television watching Hindu versus Musliman, how will they solve the problem in their own house that that child is going?
Hmm.
मतलब उनका बैठ के एक अकेले कमरे में रो रहा है कि फोन पे क्या कर रहा है नहीं पता, बट उनको ये जरूर पता है कि मंदिर वहीं बनेगा और वहीं बन रहा है. वहीं बन रहा है ना. Now please focus on your children. It is very important. Keep aside your
Or
focus on your children.
yeah, true. And also that fact comes also that this was in my mind that when we were also debating, okay, we had to we were given sides that we didn't believe in, okay, that we didn't support for, but and still we had to say things about it, okay, we had to say things for that thing. Now that point also comes in, to win, a human also would do anything just to come on top, and that's also a mentality that everyone carries, that they want to win in whatever situation that they are given in. Sure, that was a competition that is there, but that's how politics is run, when you can change someone's beliefs by money or by the thought that of giving them that winning meant a trophy. The trophy, if you give them maybe a parliament seat, maybe a lot of power, maybe this or that, you can give them and you can tell them that this is your reward, just you have to speak for us instead of them. And I don't know how people do it, because it's so hard to just go against what you believe in and say those things that the other person wants you to say, because that is what politics basically is. You do not believe half the things that you are saying, but you are saying it just because it pleases a certain section of your vote bank. Arnab also doesn't believe in half of the things that he says, for sure.
Yeah, obviously, but it is just an agenda that he's running, or 1,000 crore rupees that his company earns or owns. So,
Absolutely.
He's like that Speak for India competitor who's already been given a topic and a side to choose. A side to choose and speak on. Barabar, na?
So appropriate. So appropriate. So that day,
one of the guys was told to speak like there was a thing against Modi in the SFI competition, and he didn't do that. He was told that he was speak against it, and he didn't. He said no, this is against what I believe in. And I respect that. That, just for winning, he didn't, sell himself out. And I said, man, I respect that. He couldn't do that. He said, I can't do that because that's something that I don't believe in. So I cannot do that because I did it because I had to go forward in the competition. That's why.
What are some of the topics that Sonia you wouldn't compromise on, even if you would be given 1 crore rupees of reward?
Okay. Topics.
Topics or stands, right? For example, suppose if you support if you support
For
a political
example,
party.
That rapes are done because of women. Rapes are a mistake of women. I would never support this. I would never support that black lives don't matter. I do not support black or white. I support lives matter. Everyone's life matter. I cannot support that नीची जात की लोगों को कचरा ही उठाना है. I cannot support that. I cannot support the contention that every Muslim is a terrorist. I surely cannot support कि homosexuality की medicines होती हैं. I can never support that there are many things, Prashant, that
Hmm.
I cannot support, or not. There are many things that many people won't support just for a matter of money or something. I cannot support in public. क्या? I cannot support myself also when I say this. कि आपको पता है when these people say कि रेप तो लड़कियों की गलती की वजह से होता है.
Yeah. Hmm.
I will not be able to sleep myself that day when I will say this somewhere. Because I know this why this happens. I know the reason. I know the mentality. I know the society. I know the psychology. I cannot say because I'm a member of a Falana Dimkana party and then I will say आपको पता है उस 3 महीने की लड़की ने तो फ्रॉक पहना था और उसकी टांगे दिख रही थी. And there are people in India who can go to this extent for the sake of money or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
I cannot say that. I cannot say that. अगर एक लड़की menstruate हो रही है और वो अपने पति के लिए खाना बनाती है तो वो कुत्ती बनेगी next जमाना. People have said this. People have said this. Yeah. कोरोना देवता की पूजा करो वरना आपको भी कोरोना हो जाएगा. कोरोना एक अवतार है जो नॉन वेजिटेरियंस को सजा देने आया है. My dad, there are many people who are vegetarians and who unfortunately got the virus. There are many.
उनका क्या?
Yeah, there are many things which I cannot support ever. Okay, if there is a thing that has a reason behind it, if you say me, people are there who love non-veg. I'll not ask either of you about that, but people are there who love non-veg. Some love veg, some
Oh,
are
we
vegan.
both
It's a
love
choice.
non-veg, even if you don't ask us. I mean,
Yeah,
oh yeah.
yeah. But you say me that okay, support veganism. Supporting veganism is different and going against the non-vegetarians is different.
Okay.
Yeah, you get that. You get that. Supporting the right wing is different, and going against the leftist is different.
Okay.
So it all boils down to what your psychology is. ठीक है? I cannot convince any one of you to watch a Salman Khan movie with me. I cannot convince either of you that I cannot convince either of you that Harshad Mehta was नहीं तुमको पता है क्या मुझे सपने में आया था कि हर्षद मेहता तो बैंक से लोन के पेपर्स लेके दूसरे बैंक को नहीं दे रहा था. ना he was doing good for the country. Because see, facts can never be debated.
Right.
Facts can never be debated. If you see me that I am a boy, if anyone says me I am a boy, I will just
Oh,
leave
yes.
because I don't want to.
That's a debate for another time. That's a debate for another day. I mean, you know that
I cannot mess.
you know that
Yeah.
transgender issues and transgender trend nowadays. Like if you go to the US, you could be a male and you could declare that you are a female and you could compete in female sports and win those female sports and still be a winner, a legal
That's
winner.
so
You could do
Wow.
that legally.
That's super
That
dumb
that
and
happens
super
in
unfair.
wrestling. Think about
But
this.
there are many
A
tests
male
as
wrestler.
well. Do you know that?
No, there are no tests. Listen. The problem, okay, so everyone thinks that to declare themselves as transgender, there need to be some parameters that they have to check. That is wrong. Okay, transgender,
that
not
is
transgender. I'm not saying transgender, but to declare themselves of a
Sex
different.
change.
So this is a very very interesting topic that we'll.
That's a-
I'll just say I'll just
Cover
give the listeners an idea of what exactly is going on in the US and in the Western world. So what happens is a wrestler. Okay, you know wrestling, right? A male and a female, there's a great difference in the strength of a 65-year-old male and the strength of a 65-year-old female. Because the
65
muscle
kg, bro.
65 kg, right? Because that's a weight category. I think featherweight it is. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys.
I thought okay, that is old age weight.
I'm sorry. So,
कौन से बुढ़े अखाड़े में घुस रहे ऐसे?
so let's
Next
let
we
me
see
clear.
Modi ji, Amit Shah. in
Oh
ring.
no. Oh, there are so many names I can remember off my head. Oh. Okay, so 65 kgs. Why? Because the 65 kgs man and a woman, their muscle is built differently. Men have been hunting for so many years, right? Men have been hunting, they
Yeah.
have been fighting, they have been going towards. Their muscles are built differently, and they are wear and tear, right?
Evolved,
They can weather things. Right, they can go through physical resistance. They have a physical. So what happens in the United States is a male, a man, a boy, can say that he's a female, and he can declare that as a female, and the sports association accepts it, and he can compete in a wrestling tournament, a female wrestling tournament. A man can compete in a female wrestling tournament by declaring himself as a female and win the tournament and be a legal winner to the tournament without any
God.
objection. And that's where that's where this is heading in today's generation.
You know, Prashant, do you know, I just got a very ajeeb sa thing in my mind. If they declare themselves as a transgender for a competition, and if they're not a transgender, ठीक है, for their whole lives, they will have to live a life of a transgender. Can you imagine that?
No, acha, they don't have to, Sonia. That's the problem. See, when I am a man and I'm saying that I'm a woman, I do not have to prove. I do not have any accountability because there are no tests for that. There are no tests to prove that I'm a woman. Now people are saying that with a male genital, having a male genitalia, you can still be a female. That's the thing that is going on nowadays. And if you speak against that, you are being said as a transphobic or a homophobic and this and that. That's where you have to draw the line, right? For example, so I asked Sonia if what were the things that you wouldn't compromise, right? Eric, what would be something that you wouldn't compromise, even if you would be given, a lot of money or whatever it is?
Crore of rupees.
crore rupees. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
पे करोड़ आ गया तो फिर तो मैं देख लिया वो सामने है नहीं ना उतना पैसा, जब आएगा तो बोलेंगे कि ठीक है चलो जल्दी क्या बोलना है बोलो जल्दी.
मोदी अच्छा है, योगी अच्छा है,
जल्दी बोलो. नहीं मैं करोड़ रुपीस में मराठी में जल्दी बोलेगा. But I don't know, man. Like there are so many things that I can't say it because नहीं बोल सकते वाला situation आ जाएगा, वरना there would otherwise we would have sponsor for this podcast already. if there was something we said match someone's ideologies or things, but everyone's ideology is gonna be different, and I don't want to be rigid on some topic because something maybe I will be wrong on, and some things I may not change my stance on that. And there's not many, there's not one thing that I'll say that, this, because everything has two sides to it. Every coin has two sides to it. Not one side is going to be entirely wrong. Not one person is going to be entirely wrong in whatever they do. But the person who looks at it, or the worldview to them, would be comparatively different. So
that's a question I would like to ask, if you would allow me. That's a question I would like if you would allow me. Is truth subjective or is truth absolute?
Yes. Truth is subjective.
But truth is supposed to be absolute, right? If 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, that means 1 plus 2 it cannot be 2, right? And 1 plus 0 cannot be 2. So how do we make sense of that?
No. So truth is absolute. Is truth okay? It's different in many cases. As you said, when it's numbers involved. Okay, numbers don't lie. Number is a
numbers,
fact.
Empirical
numbers.
Not
a perception. Yeah, it's a fact. It's not a perception that 2 plus 2 can't be 3. 2 plus 2 can't be 5. It's not something debatable. It's a fact. And the other truths, if they are emotion based, if they are a perception, that's to the individual to decide what they choose to believe. That's why there it becomes subjective. So if there are facts involved, and numbers mostly don't lie, if there are facts involved, then the truth is absolute. You have to believe what you see. And if you are going something by a perception, then it's up to you. What do you think about that situation? What do you think about that perception? For example, just quickly, because it's been a long one. Kanhaiya Kumar. Nobody knew about Kanhaiya Kumar before that, spring came up wherein, anti-national hai, ये लोग इंडिया को डिवाइड करेंगे, ये लोग JNU को तोड़ेंगे, ये लोग टुकड़े करेंगे. What not was said about Kanhaiya. And nobody had heard anything about Kanhaiya Kumar at that point of time. And we had made a perception that होगा ऐसा, क्योंकि अर्नब बोल रहा है. You will not you will not talk over me. You will not talk. You will not say these things. You are the most anti-national person that I've seen. The person who's the most anti-national is saying that. Irony. And when you ever hear Kanhaiya Kumar's interview, when you ever hear Umar Khalid's interview,
Oh.
they are the most knowledgeable and most national person that you will ever hear. ये इतना सेंस किसी बात में तुम लोग शायद ही सुन पाओगे जितना वो लोग बात करते हैं कभी. Because we make a perception and that perception can always be changed compared to whatever you know about that person, and especially if you do not know that person, try and know what they have done or what they have been through and then analyze their lives, because always try and put yourself in their shoes, because that's not easy to do, and because you will only look at it through your lens and your rigid point of view.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. So that was an amazing conversation that we had with Sonia. And
Yeah.
Sonia, there are so many things that we still have to talk about, because there are
Oh,
there are so
yeah.
many topics that we had to cut short, na? That I had to
Yeah,
switch
yeah,
on
yeah.
things. And it was a fun conversation, and it's so important. I'll just summarize the things that you've already said in this podcast, that we need to learn to communicate with each other. That people at home, with our friends, with our closed ones, with our confidants and all, we need to have better sense of communication, and we need to understand the world around us and our relation and the transaction with the world around us, with the people, with the things of the world. And it's so amazing. And yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, and
Have
Sonia,
a
of course,
questioning mind.
yeah, have a
Have a
questioning mind.
questioning
Have a
mind.
questioning mind. Yeah, that's so
Yeah,
important.
that
Don't
is
be
very
rigid.
important.
So important. And
Correct.
and Sonia, again, a pleasure to talk to you. We would like
Oh
to
my
have
God, I
you
cannot
again.
express myself how happy I am to have a conversation with Eric and Prashant. I knew Prashant earlier, but Eric, thank you so much for making me so much comfortable, and I was able to speak my heart out. Thank you to you both for
Absolutely no
such an
problem.
amazing. You both were amazing hosts, and I hope that your podcast is very useful, and even I get a chance to, get a lot of information in the coming days.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
That's it from Eric and Prashant with Sonia Mishra on Charcha with the Chichas. Again, now as you're listening to this podcast or watching it on YouTube, if you're watching it on YouTube, you know what to do. I don't need to tell you. You need to like the video, comment and subscribe. If you're listening to this audio on Spotify, on Google Podcast or Apple Podcast, you know what to do. You need to subscribe. So that, and you need to so that you can stay notified whenever we have a new podcast. And you know what? We also have an Instagram platform. We have an handle. So you can go and follow us. You can stay updated to the latest episodes and the latest bits of information and entertainment and knowledge that we are giving you. And if you do not like anything about this podcast, wait. If you like something about this podcast, please let us know. We'd be so happy to hear that. And if you think we should speak on certain topics, you think that we should highlight certain things, you want to know about certain things, you want to have certain guests on the podcast, let us know. We'll try our best. And we are always open to listen to you. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all with Eric and Prashant and Sonia. Charcha with the Chichas, your discussion adda.